This is the 16th problem. Let me solve. What is the value of 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 3? Right. So 2 to the power of 4, which we can write 2 multiplied 4 times, that into 5 multiplied 3 times. Right. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Right. 16 that multiplied with 25, 125. Right. So just multiply it here, you will get the answer. Right. 16 5s are, or otherwise you can go with the individual normal multiplication only. Right. So 5 6 are, 5 6 how much? That is 5 6 are 30, 0 3 carry, 5 plus 3 is 8. So 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 1s are 1, 2 2 plus 1 is 3. Right, then 16. Add it here, 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 2000. So option B is the right one.